in today's video, I want to give out some shout outs to some people that definitely deserve it. Let you guys know some other channels and where to go for certain things here and there. It's currently raining on me right now, so you might hear my window wipers go back and forth. I need some new ones. They're getting pretty raggedy sounding, so deal with me on that one, please, guys. But first things first, I found a new YouTube channel that I've been watching lately called Gorgeous SCAT392. He's got a Scat Pack Challenger. He's doing some cool things with it. He's got some pretty cool content, some very interesting videos with his Scat Pack dynos. He's also J Green tuned, and he's been putting some content up with that. So definitely check out his YouTube channel, guys. Especially if you got a Scat Pack Challenger, Charger. I believe you're going to find some stuff in there that's pretty interesting. This is his YouTube channel right here. Check it out. Next thing on the list is for parts, guys. I want you guys to seriously consider checking out Gage Performance. A lot of you guys probably know who's running that site now, which is Mr. Tingle. He's got a very badass, nasty Ram that's NA currently, running in the 11s. Super sweet truck. He's running this site. He's the owner of this site. If you need parts for your Ram or your 5.7 build, whatever it is you're building, check out his site. Get with him. He's on Facebook. He's on Instagram. He's pretty much everywhere. Definitely check it out. He's got some great deals on parts for your Mopar build. So here's his website. So definitely, guys, check him out. He's also his link is in all of my videos as well, in the description of my videos. So you can find him down here in the description. But definitely check him out for parts for your build. Next thing on the list. A lot of you guys already know him. Incredible Hemi. He's got one of the baddest 4-door crew cab Rams out there. That's NA. I'm sure most of you guys are following him if you're following me. But if you haven't heard of him, definitely go check out his channel. Here it is. He's doing some very cool things with his truck. It's getting faster every day, and he is any day going to be breaking that truck into the 11s. And I cannot wait to see what else is going to be put on that truck. I have a small hint what it might be, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. But definitely got a badass truck, so check them out, guys. You'll enjoy it. Next one. Pretty much everybody probably knows him, but that would be Mr. Joey the Taco. If you don't know Joey the Taco, I don't know how you don't know Joey the Taco, but he's badass. He's actually got 2 channels now. He's got Kustomblack Guns with a K. That's custom with a K. And he started another YouTube channel called Hot Damn Racing Team. Here is both of those links right here. So he has a crew cab lifted 4x4 Ram running a nitrous system. He's got a stall converter on it, long tubes. He's got pretty much all the bolt-ons, guys. He has a cam. I don't think he's installed it yet, but it is a badass truck. It's a big lifted heavy truck, and he is running some pretty stupid numbers for how big this truck is. It's absolutely insane. He also has the worst track to be able to run it on, because the DA there is always terrible. But he has a very badass Ram and a very badass YouTube channels. So check them both out. The Kustomblack Guns channel is absolutely hilarious to watch, and the Hot Damn Racing Team channel is his more serious break down the math on modifications and stuff like that for your build and what you might expect here or there. But check both of them out. You will learn and enjoy both of them, I guarantee it. So, other person I want to mention would be Artie Life. Most all of you guys probably heard of Artie Life. He is another super badass YouTuber doing a lot of good things for the Mopar community. He has a nasty Charger RT, and he is cammed pretty much most all the bolt-ons, and he has some fascinating, awesome content, guys. And I actually just learned the other day that he is putting a stroker in this Charger, 6.5 liter stroker, that I believe is supposed to be around a 397 cubic inch motor. Based on a 5.7 block or 345 block, it's going to be absolutely insane in that Charger. I cannot wait to see what goes on with this car that he's got going on, and I'm sure he's going to be adding on top of that block, that stroker motor he's putting in there. It's just going to get even more crazy with that car. So definitely check out his channel, guys. You're definitely going to learn some stuff. You're going to enjoy the content as well. So definitely check him out. So next on the list that I want to talk about, guys, is, I cannot remember his last name, nor can I even probably say it, but would be Mr. Mike over at Tuned Rams. He has a crew cab ram that I believe he actually just put a cam in not long ago. He's still working on that truck, doing a lot of big things with it, and his channel is called Tuned Rams. Here's the link. He also, I believe, runs the Facebook group page called Tuned Rams. So check the page out, go there. Lots of good posts, stories, and stuff going on over there. So check that out as well. And moving on down, I want to talk about Jay Green for a second. So I get a lot of DMs to Instagram and comments on YouTube of how to get in touch with Jay Green to get his tuning or get tuned by Jay Green. So he has a Facebook page called Green Racing. So check him out on Facebook. Go to Green Racing. You can send him a message on there. I believe he even has his email listed on there as well. So you can hit him up either email or on the Facebook page. The other thing I want to mention, there's also a Facebook group called Green Team. So definitely go look up the Green Team Facebook group. And join that if you are tuned by Jay Green, or if you plan on being tuned. There's plenty of questions going on in those forums. Lots of good stuff there. And you can also get a hold of Jay Green that way as well. He's usually posting in there and commenting all the time. So you can find him there too. So yeah. Other than that, guys, I think I covered the shout outs and the people that I wanted to mention in this video. I'm sure as soon as I'm done, I'm going to remember or realize I forgot somebody. But if that happens, I will definitely hit you up on the next one and get you out there. So moving on to Frostbite. So as you guys seen in the last video, we're running 11s, baby. We got Frostbite in the 11s. We ran 11.8 at, I believe it was almost 113 miles an hour on the 100 shot, right out of the hole with the progressive. It was the last run of the season for us. As you know, the differential, it's not bad. We're driving the truck, as you can see, but the clutch packs in the limited slip are pretty much toast. So we started peg legging after that last pass, and we could not get any traction. So we got to put a new limited slip in the truck, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to go with either an Auburn or a True Track. I'm really leaning towards the True Track from what I keep hearing. So we're probably going to go that route. So that's going to be going on the truck soon. That's going to be the very next mod, more or less, on the truck. Also, want to let you guys know there's a company called Frostbite Box. Okay, they make custom subwoofer enclosures for the Rams. They got some very sweet boxes and enclosures for a lot of different makes out there, but they got, you know, if you got a Charger or a Challenger and you have a trunk, they make plenty of different style of boxes to fit inside of a trunk, and they are absolutely sweet. You can mix and match different color combos to match your build or the color of your car. They are 100% made here in the USA. They are custom quality, and they are sweet. We are putting one in my truck, Frostbite, very soon. I'm actually waiting on it any day, and that will be another video. But if you're looking for some quality enclosures to put into your ride or your Mopar, check them out. Here's the link. They're also in the description of this video as well. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for today. We got some big plans for Frostbite over the winter. We will go over that probably in the next few videos to come, as soon as I figure out which way exactly we're going to go with this truck. But I think we're going to be changing a lot, guys. So until next time, guys, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, please. Don't forget to tap the bell button to get the notifications